Today I wanted to introduction about this machine, NAFR01, which screen extracting machine. You can extract the screen from the iPhone, the front screen, iPhone, the back for the 14 and 14 Plus and 15 series, and any Samsung Motorola phone back and the front extracting. So we have a couple of phones that we wanted to show demonstrate today. So let's start with the iPhone. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max we have. And this machine currently we are doing special discount. And also we have this screwdriver, 6-in-1 screwdriver. It's really stress release too. See, it's been forever. This one is 6-in-1, very good quality. I've been selling a lot of this. Still spinning. Come on, stop. It's really, really good one. Now, let's start with the iPhone. The difference between this machine and our machine is this guy has the hit on the bottom and the hit on the top. So let's say we have this special notches. You see, it's pretty hot. So I'm gonna remove this for the camera. So I'm gonna start with the iPhone 12 Pro Max that we have in today. Okay, so let's heat it up first, of course. But when you do the Samsung backglass or any other like phone, Android phone backglass remover, then you don't have to use this hit at the bottom. You can only use the hit at the top. So this top one has the vacuum suction. The suction cup will work really well if you have an extremely cracked glass. This guy works perfectly fine even with the cracked glass. And another update to give you, if you're the owner of this machine, we're gonna come up with a smaller side, a very small side that you can do a battery pool or any very small phone. Because currently this guy is we specially the screen refurbisher, but then this one is 100% working really well for all the wholesaler and every shop owner. A few of you may tell me that, I can just use the hit mat and the blade and all that. Yeah, you can, but not everyone can do it. Second thing is, if you have a lot of high volume repair, or if you're a wholesaler, you don't really have time to train every technician, and time is money. Tools gonna make your life so much easier. That's the whole point about these tools. That's gonna help your life so much easier. So I'm gonna do, I'll give a, how do I call it? I'm gonna give the hit on both sides, the top and the bottom. Normally you don't really have to, just let the part hit, but right now I'll just let it hit, and then I can turn on the vacuum suction. See that? This is the vacuum suction. It won't go anywhere. So unless the suction cup won't really work well. And I'm telling you that if you don't have the right technique with the suction cup one, the Apple original one, or the other machine that from other company called TVK and all that, if you don't have the right technique, what's gonna happen? You're gonna always end up damaging the OLED. That I guarantee. But with this machine, with the right technique from us, you will never damage it. I can guarantee it. Of course, the every device, sometimes you still have to a little bit of manual. How do I call it? The manual, manually adjusting a little bit. Sometimes you have extremely cracked glass, especially on iPhone. Then the frame is already loose. If the customer has been using that phone for a long time with the cracked glass, then a lot of debris and dust go already in there. So at this point, you're gonna have to do a little bit of manual work. So I feel like in about almost one minute. So I'm gonna turn on the vacuum. Okay, and then of course the most important thing is this liquid. You have to fit that liquid. See that this is the vacuum suction. So all you have to do is this. Already come off. As you see, I don't really have to do anything. So, but for the safety purpose, hopefully you can see it from this camera. Sometimes I still like to use the blade to give some sort of guide from the side. So some reason always come out from this side first. It's already been come. See, I hope I can show you. Oh, I'm gonna move this. So it's already pop up on the other side. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of the guide on the side, this side. As you see, it's already pop on this side too. So as you see, this right here, this is the most dangerous part. This bottom part, if lift up like that, because it's been very old and you still have to fit a little bit of liquid. So this side doesn't have any issue. Always on the right side of the frame is kind of lift up. That's the problem you're gonna have most of the time. Okay, so I can't really see it here with the light. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just, instead of like keep pulling up from the top, I'll give a little bit of help at the bottom. See that? It's already, everything is already popped. But I just don't want it to pull it right away, because the frame here is kind of lift up. So this machine will really help if you have a technician who doesn't have a lot of experience, and if you do a lot of volume work as a wholesaler, then definitely this is for you. So it's come off. I will just fit a little bit of liquid at the bottom. A small adhesive is holding right there. See that? It's already come, as you see. So at this point, you can just take it out and do it manually, or you can keep going it. So all you have to do is like cut that adhesive, this right here. See that? And of course, you give a little bit of liquid this area. So it's all about like hidden liquid. Let the tools and do the job for you. You see that? It's just adhesive. You just cut that small little adhesive they're holding. That's about it. It's already done. And this side has a big adhesive holding. Instead of pouring a lot of liquid, you can just use a little bit of blade. So I'm showing you guys really slow to learn about this machine. If I do it by myself, it's gonna be really vacuum done. So I'm gonna release the vacuum. It's already done. See that? It's already popped. Kind of hot. Let me grab the glove. So that's for the iPhone screen removal.